One of the benefits of using our free Template Assistant add-on is that you can control the search forms and the fields within the search forms through WordPress, removing the need to go into any code. In this video, we'll look at how you can do this and manage the forms shown on your site. So to get to the Template Assistant add-on, assuming you've downloaded and installed it, we can go to Property Hive on the left-hand side, into Settings, and then into the Template Assistant tab, and then into Search Forms. Now, when you first install the Template Assistant add-on, you will have one form by default called Default. What you can do is you can add as many forms as you like. So an example of this is if we look on Rightmove, we can see they have one form on the homepage, very simple, just a simple address search field, and then they have a separate form, a more detailed form when you click through. So in our scenario, back into the settings, we might have one form for the homepage and another one for the more advanced search. Like I say, there is one setup when you install the plugin, and within that will be a default set of fields. So here we've got a number of fields. What you'll notice is we've got active fields and we've got inactive fields, and it's really simple just to change them around, so we can simply just drag and drop the fields up and down between the two. You can also expand the fields, and you'll notice that each field has its own set of options. So minimum price, we can choose to show the label or not. We've got any HTML before or after the field, and because this is a drop down field, we can set the options. We can reorder them, we can delete fields, and we can add new options as well. On the left hand side is the value that's passed, and on the right hand side is the label which appears to the user. You'll see the same for things like property type. So property type doesn't have the options because that pulls in the fields from the custom fields area within Property Hive, but you can set the blank option. Once you're happy, we can just click Save Changes, and you'll notice on the site now that we've got this address field that we just dragged in. So again, if I go back and move this into inactive, Save Changes, and go back to the site and refresh, we'll see that's now disappeared. So it's a quick way of adding fields, removing fields. We can also reorder them to show them where we want. And also, like I say, if we go to search forms, we can also add a new one. So if we just go add new search form, we would give it a name. So in the Rightmove example, there was a simple search form on the homepage, so we might call this home. And it literally had just address keyword. So we would drag address keyword up and then probably move all the rest out and then save. That would then be a very simple form.